Shutter speed on a camera is essentially how long the shutter is open for to let light in. So a value less than 1 takes a faster picture, like 1/4000, which would be good for something like sports photography. And a value like 4 means the shutter is open for 4 seconds, which would be good for something like nighttime photography. The f-stop value adjusts the aperture of the camera. What is the aperture? Well, the aperture is actually the hole that lets the light through. So a small f-stop like f3.5 has a larger aperture and will let more light in than something like f16. This also changes the amount that's in focus. So for a blurrier background on a subject, use a low f-stop, and if you want everything in focus, use a higher f-stop. Back in the day of film photography, you could actually buy different ISO films which affected their sensitivity to light. So a low ISO will be less sensitive to light, but it will be less grainy as well. A high ISO will be more sensitive to light, but will also be more grainy. With a well-lit scene or environment, use ISO 100. Now that you know these 3 simple settings, you're ready to go and take some pictures.